Hey, what's up? It's PKB baby, and I'm back with another video. So today I was actually just setting up everything and sitting down to film a completely different video, which is why my hair is a mess. I have no makeup on. And then a FedEx came in. The dog went crazy. I went and I looked at my BOXYCHARM. I didn't know it was coming today. It's a BOXYLUXE this month. Very big box. Why not, instead of filming that video, just go ahead and sit down and film this one since it's just gotten here, and that way we can get it up sooner for you guys. So I'm just now getting the scissors and gonna cut it open. Sorry I look like such a mess today, by the way. I've been running around cleaning, getting toys together for my daughter's stuff to donate, so. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. Pretty edgy is what it says down here. I thought let's just dive right in. Get this out. Ooh, okay. So, first thing, Becca Skin Love. Glow Glaze Stick. Ooh, I like that. I don't know what it is, but I like the sound of it. Doesn't have a smell at all. Oh, and it's a nice little, I don't know if you can see how well you can see it. Yeah, it's a nice little shimmer. I like that. I'm not one that likes it super strong all the time with my highlight. I like a subtle highlight, so that'll be really nice. And it's very buttery and creamy. So I'm excited to try. Okay, so next time I'm grabbing this. I don't know what this is. So let's find out together. It looks like it's a BOXYCHARM palette, but it does, I don't see anything saying that they like are collabing with anybody, so let's open it. Oh, super cute though. I love that packaging. Okay. So these are the colors. Super pretty. A lot of shimmeries. So I'm gonna, I mean like, oh my gosh. Whoa, that is like a compacted dry glitter. It is so amazing in the light. That is beautiful. It's a little like gravelly because it's like legit like pressed glitter. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, can you see that though? I don't know if the camera's picking up, but there's like this blue shimmer to it also. So pretty. So that's really cool. I am into natural colors, so I'm really excited about that. I always can do looks with natural colors. I'm not as good with the bold ones, but there's still a couple in there, and I love glitter, so you can always throw that in for me. Bombshell Baker. This is really soft. I really like this. What is it? Oh, cool. Reusable straws. That's really cool. That's awesome. I love to have these. These are especially great, this material for summer when you have like cold drinks and stuff because it keeps it cold. Makes it really yummy. Oh, that's really cool. And I love the little container it comes in. I can put that like right in my purse. So when I go out, instead of having to get a straw, I can just use one of these. Very smart, Boxy, very smart. Next up is a nail polish duo. I do my toenails at home a lot of the time, so I will definitely be able to use these. And I love pink. Next, we have not one, but two of these, which is really cool. This one, I've gotten a big one of, and I've gotten a little one of this one before. This one smells amazing. This one doesn't smell as strong like coconut. Oh no, they've changed it, so it still smells a lot stronger now. Oh, it just smells like summer. Yeah. So it's Brazilian Bum Bum cream and Coco Cabana cream. So reading the thing, I guess the Bum Bum Cream is supposed to help tighten the appearance of skin with an active pistachio and salted caramel scent. Very good scent, very good. And then the Coco Cabana body provides 72 hours of hydration with a delicious complex fragrance of young green coconut cream, tropical orchard, and toasted praline. Oh, those are delicious. These smell so amazing. They make me think of summer. They make me ready to tan and go to the pool and have yummy blended margarita. Tarte Pro Remix. Oh, I love Tarte. Let's open it. Oh, fancy, fancy. I like the packaging. It's a really sturdy name. A little hard to open, but I got it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Okay, so this is it. So gorgeous. Oh, it's just amazing, beautiful. There's so many sparkles. I'm loving these right here. These ones right down here are beautiful. I feel like they will make my blue eyes look even greener. Here's like, oh, that's cool. Okay, next up, Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Soft silicone bristles. So this is like a tool to help you wash your face. Oh, and it comes with a battery. I like that. This is very interesting. Those are very soft. These down here are way softer. It looks like you can see like there's two different textures. So these ones up here are a little bit harder and rougher, and down here they're really, really soft. I'm not gonna say anything about this. I think I'm just gonna leave this one. So next, last but certainly not least after that one is NARS. What is with all these packaging lately? Like, yes, I love it. It is so cute. Like, what? This is amazing. Ooh. Ooh, that is a bold color. That is a very bold color for your lips. I will have to play with this one and see what happens. I don't know. That's intense. That vibrator kills me. That face cleanser kills me. Now I'm going to go ahead and just try some kind of random little look. And yeah, so let's just do This is the look that I came up with. I feel like it's really pretty. It was an easy look to create. I'm excited to try the other palette. I really liked all the products from the box. I will give a better review of the facial cleanser on my Instagram once I try it out. As for the lipstick, I'm not crazy about it, but you'll see it in a second. What's up, Musa? I feel like it's a really cute look. I feel like the lips kind of ruined the whole thing. But I really like the eyes now. I don't know about these lips. I'm not quite sure where I would wear them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys would be really interested to see a video of next. We're getting another video for hair right now, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see, what would be interesting, what you would like from me. Bye.